Ever wondered what a VPN is and if you actually need one? Let's break it down in the next 3 minutes. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it like a secret tunnel for your internet connection. Normally, when you go online, your internet service provider, or ISP, can see everything you do. But with a VPN, all your data gets encrypted and sent through the secure tunnel to a server somewhere else in the world. This hides your real location and makes your online activity private. So, how does it work? When you connect to a VPN, creates an encrypted connection between your device and the VPN server. This server then connects you to the internet. To the outside world, it looks like you're browsing from the server's location, not your own. It's like putting on a digital disguise. This is why VPNs are great for protecting your privacy on public Wi-Fi, like at coffee shops or airports, where hackers could be snooping. It also helps you get around geo restrictions, so you can access content that's only available in other countries, but you don't need a VPN on all the time. If you're just browsing from your secure home network, your ISP can still see your activity, but it's generally safe from outside hackers. Using a VPN can sometimes slow down your internet speed because your data has to travel that extra step to the VPN server. So, for everyday browsing at home, you might not need it. Now, let's bust some common myths. First, a VPN doesn't make you completely anonymous. While it hides your IP address and encrypts your data, your VPN provider could potentially see what you're doing. That's why it's crucial to choose a reputable VPN with a strict no-logs policy. Another myth is that free VPNs are just as good as paid ones. Be careful here. Many free VPNs make money by selling your data or showing you ads, which defeats the whole purpose of using one for privacy. Finally, a VPN is not a magic shield against all online threats. It won't protect you from viruses, malware, or phishing scams. You still need good antivirus software and smart browsing habits. So, to sum it up, use a VPN on public Wi-Fi to keep your data safe, or to access region-locked content. At home, you can probably turn it off for better speeds, unless you are very concerned about your ISP's tracking. And always choose a trusted, paid VPN provider over a free one for real privacy. Hope that clears things up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.